They say one Biafra Liberation Army don't come outside the talk. He said that all those people will love their business, pass their freedom, say they no deserve to be inside this world where all of us dey inside though. And he said those of you waiting say your business are important than freedom. I say right now they are watching you. Don't be smart, you know, my people. We'll go find out how this thing take happen. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas GC. If today is the first time where they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Let's quickly jump into the matter where we get for our hand today as it is hot. As the Biafra Liberation Army don't come outside, they can't talk so many things for this video where we go play you now. He said that all those people will be say they prefer their business more than their freedom. So waiting come make them they inside bush or they fight for them and try to defend their land. As he thought this thing now, I can say this one shock me. Okay, my people, let's go and watch the video. May not be like say would they use our mouth, they talk waiting, they not talk. We'll watch the video together before we come back and continue.
And the enemies of Biafra, they will all be destroyed. And at the end, Biafra must definitely be restored. There is nothing anybody can do about it. There is nothing anybody can do about it. Biafra must be restored. And not any other time. In this our time. In this our time. So if you don't like it, for those of you who have been complaining, let me use this opportunity to put it to you. Those of you who have been complaining, this lockdown, they only affect Igbo business. At least you they see your business. If you stay for house on Monday or any lockdown where we put, later you will still go continue with your business. It better pass your brother where they Lagos, where they don't burn their business. Business they no see. Their house they no see. But your own, you see your business anytime they open up the lockdown and you are still complaining. May thunder fire you. You think say your business is more than 30 millions of people, children, women, old and young that die. You think say that your business. Maybe it's time where we go to mark people, where go they talk nonsense, so that we pay you, we pay that your business proper visit. Yes, I think it's proper. Your brothers who do multi-millions naira business in Lagos, they no burn their business down. They no destroy their house. Assuming that they were in Biafra land, we tell them, say, lockdown 1 week. After 1 week, 1 month, you see go back, you see your business continue. If you're not better for them, they ask you, if you're not better for them, you won't be saying you don't see business where after some time you will see go back, you will come they complain. You think say your business they important to us. Okay, they meant something where they come, where you no go even see chance, no go even see place, no go even see space to go and do business. You know, survive. You will go and hang yourself now. You know, see Israel. You know, nah. When I know if it verse me, okay? Your business is not important. As our Prime Minister have spoken, if you don't like it, carry your business, go Lagos, carry and go Fulani land, carry and come out. When we finish, you come back. If you come back with your life. Yes. Because in the coming days from now, it's going to be hot. Yes. You no go even see chance go market. If the village, people where live for this village where they fight war, sometimes they not even see market, they sell. But your own, you do your business. When it don't open, you go do your business. You they talk business. Igbo get economy. We are talking about the future of our unborn children. And you are talking about your business. You have been doing this business for ages. No good road. You have been doing this business for ages. No running water. No stable light. No good hospital. No even good school. You have been doing business. Thunder go fire any of you where go come and they talk about Igbo economy, Igbo business, Igbo this. Have you not seen every road? Show me one single road where you will see federal presence in Biafra land. Show me one single road. One single road like this. Okay, which road where your money, your economy, where you they struggle for since? Which road where you don't use that your money do? Now graduate they drive keke. Now graduate if you go, person go tell you say, oh, one no day now they don't turn our young boys to Yahoo. All our young boys now they do Yahoo. Because somebody will go to school, come out, no work. School now don't become big scam. Big scam. And you are coming to talk about business. Business, go there. We are not here to joke. I received call yesterday. Somebody was asking me some cross question. Why are we? I think this struggle, he was meant to destroy Fulani and Hausa man. Why are we killing ourselves? Why are we killing ourselves? Now I tell him, do you know why Ojugu failed? Ojugu did not fail because of Fulani or Yoruba. Ojugu failed because of his own brother. His own very brother sell Ojugu out. The money that was meant to buy weapon, Ojugu carry give him, he carry the money terrorists. Run. His own very good friend, see betray him. And I'm telling you today that Fulani is not our problem. Because it will not even take us 3 days. We go finish Fulani. We go finish them. It will not take us 3 days. We go finish Fulani. Our problem now, our saboteur brother. Because if my saboteur brother go outside, negotiate with my enemy and bring them to come and kill me, and then I can't kill the enemy and leave that my saboteur brother, he will still go back again and negotiate with another person and bring. So the best things and the best way is to kill them first. Is to kill them first. Yes, we go kill them first. And so I've told you before that saboteur is not my brother. Because he who want me dead is my enemy. And if I have a chance to take your own life, I will not spare you. If you call me again and they tell me, say, why are we killing my brother? I will ask you who is my brother. And if you mention saboteur, thunder will fire you. That is a fact. All the saboteur must go down in the land of Biafra and beyond. Saboteur must go down. Write it down somewhere. No saboteur will enter this kingdom of God. And there will be no forgiveness. There will be no forgiveness. No amount of pleading, no amount of pleading, no amount of pleading you will beg. Only one condition we will give to you, if we should forgive you, is going to be if you will go and resurrect all the innocent Biafran that you help the enemy of Biafra and kill. If you can go and resurrect them, then you will have your life back and we will forgive you. But if you cannot do that, if you wouldn't be able to do that, and then there will be no reason why we will be forgiving you. And therefore, you will also die. Because whatever things a man soweth, he must reap. All of you that sow death in the land of Biafra, you must reap death. You must reap that death. From A to Z, you must reap death. All of you that sell this land of Biafra, sell the children of the land, even though you sell with 1 naira, you must die. No forgiveness. So saboteur is not my brother. Saboteur must die. And there is no two ways about that. God bless Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. God bless Simon Ekpa, the Prime Minister. God bless all of you. Share this message and invite more of your friends. Let this message go viral. We are about to enter gear 3. Fasten your seatbelt well, because a lot is about to unfurl. So many things is about to happen, and so many deaths is about to start. It's not going to be easy. I am not telling you that it's going to be easy, because freedom is not gotten in the clatter of gold. Freedom is not cheap. Freedom is not cheap. If freedom was cheap, I wouldn't be in this place I am. Yes. I could have been in the hotel, crewing. I could have been in a very big mansion. But freedom is not cheap. So therefore, get prepared, for something greater is about to happen. And something big is about to start. And I'm telling you now that it's not going to favor you. Don't expect it to be like butter and bread. No. Hardship will increase. Death will increase. But one thing I want you to hold tight, hold it firm, hold it tight, is that after this war, Biafra will come. And all will hail Biafra. Yes. That is our aim. And that is our mission. Biafra is our mission. Biafra is our goal. Biafra is our target. And our eye is on the target. You will never miss it. We promise you that at the end of this, Biafra will be restored. Because we have taken an oath to restore the land of Biafra. And nothing can stop us. We go nowhere. Because this is the land of our ancestors. This is our own right. This is our own heritage. This is our own belonging. This is our own portion. We cannot go anywhere. Not today, not tomorrow, and not ever. Those who came to the land of Biafra must die. That is the truth. I thank you all, because you are there to spread this news. Spread the news. Okay? Don't fear. Chukwu Kike Abiama are prepared us to come. And we are here to do the needful. The enemy are panicking. Everywhere they are panicking. Because they never could believe what they are seeing. He still do them like film. The way we they do them, bam, bam, bam. We they play them, bam, bam, bam. They are panicking. We never start. But tell them that we are still on gear 2. And we are about to enter gear 3. And then they will know what we are made of. Okay? They will know. That this land, whom Chukwu Kike Abiama gave to our great-grandfather, that gave to our grandfather, that gave to our father, that hand over to us, this very land of Biafra, that we must hand over it to our children and our unborn children in a good shape, without the presence of Fulani, without the presence of Yoruba and Britain in it. And we have sworn an oath that our children must enjoy this land of Biafra in good faith. That what our parents, our great-grandfather and our father and us passed through, they can never pass through it. Yes. And in this land of our ancestors, we go nowhere. Thank you very much.
Yeah, my wonderful people, yeah, welcome back. As I've watched this video, you don't hear everything we talk for this particular video, no be small thing, talks a lot of things, and I want you to share the video and leave your opinion in comment section, and make sure say you follow this page and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share the video so that other people go know what they go on, so that people we no get access for those big channels. They will still know say we dey here, they bring them good news that see they hot. Okay, we will see you for the next update. You know, as we dey do am now, we will bring up there to allow you, may you share and also leave your own opinion. Okay, my people, we'll quickly catch you up for the next update as see they hot.